This is Chris Kelly, just a quick tutorial on accessing your Fitclick diet. So after logging into the site, you're going to be brought to your news feed. Okay, so this is kind of the default page that comes up after you log in. You're going to click on the Diet and Nutrition tab on the site. All right, and we're going to go to, we're going to click on the Diet and Nutrition tab, and we're going to go down to Diet Plans. All right, so I'm going to click on that real quick. Okay, and it is going to bring me to a screen where I can search for diet plans. All right, what you're going to want to do is just write in Peak Fitness, okay, the name of our account. So you click Peak Fitness and then click search. Okay, and that's just going to bring up a listing of all the diets we've created. And we'll use your name, okay? So we'll put, here's a diet for Tony Pearson here. So we'll just click on this as an example. So you click on the diet. Okay, it's going to bring up details. And we're going to click Use This Diet. So I'm going to click on Use This Diet. Then you're going to choose when you start. So say you start training on a Friday and you want to start on a Monday. You click on that. Okay, so it's the 26th of April today. I'm going to click on Monday the 29th and click OK. So it'll start me on those dates. Okay, and it will bring up your macros in terms of how many calories you're going to take in per day along with your meals. Okay, so you can see that your meals are going to be listed out here, and there are a couple of things that we can look at. All right, first and foremost, we can look at your grocery list. All right, so say you want to access your grocery list for the next 5 days. All right, so we're going to click on grocery list, and we can choose the dates. Okay, so we have Saturday the 27th to Tuesday the 30th. I would click, or let's say, let me change this a little bit, Sunday the 28th. I'll just click go. And it'll update it just so everything is nice and listed out. I can click on print. I can email it to myself if I want to. I can add items. I can remove items. All right, so let's go back a little bit now. Click one more back here. Okay, it's going to take me back to the diet screen. The other thing that we can do is, well, we've programmed in, meals for you, just some examples. Keep in mind that this website has thousands of recipes, and you can really plug in whatever you want, just as long as we stay in these macros, meaning I want you eating between, in this case, 1900 to 2050 calories per day, 190 to 210 grams of carbs, 190 to 210 grams of protein, etc. What I recommend is maybe taking time on a Saturday or Sunday, plan out your week, plan out your meals, and then you can kind of just customize this to your own needs. Again, you can certainly do it this way, but what you can do is, if say you don't want scrambled eggs, you can click on that and take it out. Okay, then what you could do is add a food. Okay, so I just click add food here. Okay, and I have all kinds of things. I can access recipes, I can click on food, but let's say I want to add grapes in the morning. So I'm going to type in grapes. I do a search. Okay, and it just brings up all the different options for grapes that I can add in. So as you can see, there's a lot of different things. You can input your own recipes. You can add in foods if you want, but there's a ton of stuff here that you'll be able to access. So you can really kind of customize this to your own palate. Okay, so once that's done, okay, we have our stuff. We know what we're eating for the week. We can just click print, and what happens is it's going to bring up just recipes, and again, recipes for the week. So we'll start on a Monday, 4/22, and we'll go through that Friday. Okay, I'm going to click show. Well, we'll say 29th to 30th. Okay, and that'll bring up just the recipes of exactly how much to buy, what to cook, etc., and just nutritional breakdowns for that amount of time. So you know exactly what you're eating per day, what to put in there, so we have just a list. And this is also a good thing to do to print out for, bringing me your nutrition log. So really, this is very useful. You can go ahead and print this out or whatever you want to do with it, but hopefully that gives you a good idea, of how to access your diet. As well, you can scroll down, we have the recipes for everything in here as well. So definitely a lot of variety for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and that is our presentation.